What's up, world? I'm EAMON.
And I'm Bec.
And welcome to our channel.
We're a couple of entrepreneurs who live full-time in our self-converted Sprinter van. But how did we get here?
Our first taste of van life was in New Zealand. We loved the idea of having our home with us as we travel.
I guess you could say the seed was planted.
We returned to Canada and got to work. We started a business,
These are all the kilos.
bought a van, and converted it into our home. Because why wouldn't we choose to save rent, expand our business, and live freely?
You can expect to see videos about what it's really like to live in a van full-time,
The freezer section is starting to melt.
how we run our small business. As we leave the office, we pack up our orders, we bring those to the post office, and a few videos all about food. We love food.
I was thinking of making bagels. I could chug this on the milk right now.
That's banging, buddy.
Let's just go for it.
We love our YouTube family and we really hope you'll join us.
So help us grow our channel, smash that subscribe button, turn on those notifications. We're posting twice a week, Sundays and Wednesdays. And we'll see you then.
That's all for now, folks.
Why are we saluting?
Bye.
Thanks for watching.